I'm proud to say that we have a very strong curriculum that focuses on direct application into the workforce. And the reason why we did this is that there is kind of a global problem right now in the sense that there's some instances where individuals, they can go take a course and they just kind of stroll on by, they pass on through, and they don't necessarily understand the meaning behind what they have just learned. So we have practitioners as well as scholars here with multiple years of experience that can really explain how to apply what they learned into practice. So a lot of what we do is help individuals to compete for those positions and prepare them by taking basic principles and learning how to apply them in the classroom, which for adult learners, they can immediately apply in the workplace. For traditional students, they will learn to apply them in practice, especially through an internship or job placement program and the like. So I think that gives us a lot of advantages over many of the colleges and universities out here, especially considering that there is this global achievement gap where literally employers feel that college students aren't prepared to handle work as well, especially in regards to problem identification, problem solving, applying critical thinking, collaborating, presenting before the public. So we changed our curriculum to prepare them to meet the needs of the industry out there, which changes all the time. So our motto is kind of at the School of Business is kind of how can we help these students meet the needs of the workforce? And that's our focus. So, for example, in human resources management class, I can tell you personally, we focus on a lot of research and presentations and problem solving. Entrepreneurship class, we're not just talking about entrepreneurship. The students in the class will create their own small business during the class. Their final exam is not multiple choice. They have to present their business before the group. So again, it gives them applied learning that helps induce their problem solving skills, problem identification skills, and of course, creativity.